that's all the main stuff now done in the van, so it's basically just going to be a day of doing the finishing touches, and we'll get the mattress in, get the bed in. Yeah, so I'm going to start off by touching all the paint up, because let me show you a few parts that I've rubbed down that just had slight marks on them, as you can see there. And then this bench seat during the work was always going to take a bit of a battering with tools and stuff on, so that's getting repainted. And I also had to cut this notch out, that needs painted because it just hit the door handle without it. So yeah, I get that repainted. Just bits like the ceiling need retouching, so I'll get that done. I think the overhead cabinets are all alright, they don't really need doing. It's mainly just a few little bits that have been rubbed down. I've touched up all the wall paint and given just one coat of paint to the bed base. It's only getting the mattress to sit on top. I only really painted it because it had a few paint marks on it. I would have just left it MDF if not. So yeah, bit of a finishing touches day, but getting there, and then we can start on the outside. In the next video, we're going to be starting on the exterior of the van and getting it ready for a full respray. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.